My name is Christophel, and I'm a facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon at the University of Virginia. Facial plastic and reconstructive surgery deals with, as the name says, diseases of the head and neck region. The majority of the patients that I see in terms of volume will be adults that have either been in accidents or are getting skin cancers removed, and we have to rebuild a portion of their face. We also do treat children, and the majority of those are ones with cleft lip and palate. I was introduced to medical volunteerism, I think the year 2000. Actually, I met my wife on a medical trip to Peru. And then since starting practice here in 2010, I've taken a trip every year but one to Kenya, where we go to do cleft lip and palate repairs with the Smile Train organization. The most rewarding part of my job is not looking at that incision that's healed well, or that fracture that's healed well, or that skin that we've had to rearrange, but it's seeing that person and talking to them and realizing, wow, we didn't just restore a part of them, we were able to bring them back into action, bring them back to life, and it's seeing them light up again after they've gone through what is oftentimes a traumatic or an unexpected bump in the road.